Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's assault.
On August 14th, 2025, at Orlando International Airport, a passenger experienced multiple flight delays while attempting to reach her terminally ill brother in Puerto Rico. She damaged airport property, allegedly struck staff, and resisted arrest. When does emotional crisis cross the line into criminal liability?
Their manager broke 2 monitors, had denied boarding for her behavior.
Is she intoxicated?
No, she was on a flight that it took off, had a maintenance problem, had the air return. So as she was boarding the second flight, she got upset, and then it went from there.
194, we're 1012 with the subject.
Hi.
What?
What happened?
What happened is that I had a breakdown because this air.
Go ahead. Just keep talking.
Oh, okay. I've been waiting for this flight after 45 minutes. That one was hitting the road after all the time that we need to wait, right? I was.
Get off the phone and tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. Forget about it.
It's just it's my mom. It's my mom.
Okay, so get over
Mira,
it.
madre.
How old are you?
She's 75.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay, you can talk without your mom. So what happened?
So this is what happened. I get into a breakdown because I was talking with my mom at the hallway in a louder voice. So one of the guys come to me and is screaming at me that the people don't need to hear my conversation, which is I'm agree, all right? But right now I'm really frustrated. I am in medications just because my brother is dying. He's gonna be disconnected. I need to be there because he's gonna be disconnected tomorrow. It's not my problem. It's not my fault.
So what else happened?
What else happened? That I get angry and I hit all the computers and everything because I told them, okay, I can. You keep me out of the flight. Okay, that's perfect. But give me my money to buy another ticket in another flight, right? Because it's not my mistake that after 45 minutes, the Southwest be on the air, go back to MCO because one of the tires is damaged.
So what else after you hit the monitors? Then what happened?
Nothing happens. I calling you. Nothing happens. I'm being here.
Okay. Did you break a monitor?
Yes, I think because I hit them with my phone. Right here. Mira.
You hit who with the phone?
I hit the monitors with my phone. I hit the whole monitors.
How's it going?
Excellent footage of him for kicking him and punching him.
There you go.
Cool. Can I see that?
I also have it right here too.
Yeah. Ooh, that's assault.
You want to press charges?
Oh, you got 2 views of it, so. Do you want
You know how to work Axon?
Yeah. I just talked to my station manager, Raphael, and yes.
Okay, can you want you're going to write a statement for me? Yeah. Okay, and apparently she broke a...
Right over here. The monitor's ripped out of the wall.
Okay.
And then she hit me on the wrist with her phone and kicked me.
Okay. How much is this going to cost?
I have no idea.
Estimate?
Each monitor is probably $500.
Right.
So I would say 1,000. People too, so that's probably another 200.
Cool. Yeah. Hooker. Manager wants to press charges. Who's primary on this?
I want to press charge.
Okay, we'll settle that out. We'll settle that out. What
Stop
happened?
moving.
You want?
I want to press charge too.
Okay,
I don't
okay,
know
we'll
who's
get you to write a statement.
Stop
Okay.
moving.
Stop moving. Just stay still. Stop. Don't do that.
Because you broke
Don't do that. Don't do
Yeah,
that.
and they broke my heart. And
Okay.
they broke my flight.
It's not a crime.
It's not a crime, Dad? No, that is not a crime,
So
right?
small there it is.
That is
Yeah.
not a crime. To mess up with people's lives,
Yeah,
that
okay.
is not a crime.
All right, no problem.
That is not a crime.
You got ID? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Just release me.
Stop moving.
I will not stop moving.
Okay, I need you to stop
I
moving.
have my,
All right,
I have
come on.
my medication.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
Walk with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
I hope you do that.
No, I just don't want you moving.
No, I just want that you do that
I want you to
your
move.
family members when they die. When they are dying. I have a good liar.
Come on.
Don't worry.
Come on. Don't stop walking.
Okay. So what is the pace that I need to walk?
Right here. Stop for 1 second. Stop.
Okay.
Stop moving around.
Okay,
I'm walking
but
around
what
with
do you want me to
I
do?
want you to stand still. Yeah, I got a car down there. I'm just trying to remember where I'm going. There it is. I'm right down there. We can get the
I
paperwork
hope
down
you're
there.
proud.
I'm not proud.
Yeah, you are really proud.
I'm not proud at all.
If you-
Stop
if
squirming
you-
your arms.
Yeah, but
Stop
why you
squirming.
are squeezing me?
Stop
You
squirming your
are
arms. Just
squeezing,
keep
you
on
are
walking.
hurting me.
Come on.
But you are hurting me. You're hurting me, man. I am not resisting.
Yes, you are.
How am I resisting? You have me bent over.
Because you're squirming
Oh.
your arms and you're trying to
Oh.
get out of these handcuffs.
Oh. Okay, my lawyer is gonna see all the bruises.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is there an elevator over here
You know, all the bruises.
You got an elevator?
All the bruises.
to get downstairs?
All the bruises.
Hold it.
I got her. Is there an elevator down here? All right. Come on, walk. Walk.
Oye, pero ya déjale. No me tienes que apretar, mano. ¿Sabes cuál es el problema? Yo puedo caminar. Déjame caminar bien. Let me walk. Why you are still doing
You're
force on
pushing
me?
up against back.
I am not resisting.
Okay.
I am not resisting.
All the
I'm
way
just
to the
trying to
back.
tell you that it's hurt.
All the way to
See
the
my
back.
hands already. I'm hurt. Yeah. I hope that you
Stop.
that
moving
you're gonna
around.
take pictures of the bruises that you are creating on me. Because in any moment I'm be resisting. And I'm doing anything wrong. Just waiting.
Yo.
So I'll come get him. Rush home, bring him.
Yeah. How do we get out of here?
Like the door to remain closed. The stepping in. Open it. Yeah,
Stop pulling me.
Can you stop?
You stop
You
pulling
are
me.
pulling me.
Let's go.
You are pulling me. Abuser. You are an abuser. All of you are an abuser. Just abusers.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
You understand? Stop pulling me. You're done pulling me. You understand me?
you are.
Walk
angry.
slowly. You pull me again, you're going to the ground.
Yeah, I know that what you want that I used to.
Against the car. Against the car. Walk to the car. Spread your feet. All good. It's not hard. You start pulling me around, we're going to have problems. One second. One second. Get in. Scoot over. Right there. You got any information on her?
That's Armani's got everything.
Salomit. All right. The airport. Are you listening to me? They're trespassing you from this airport. You cannot come back here for 1 year. Okay? If you come back, you are subject to arrest. You understand?
How am I gonna get to Puerto Rico to bury my brother?
You would have to take another airport.
What airport?
Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville.
How am I gonna get there?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You have to figure it out. But if you come back here, you will be arrested if they want to press charges. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
The first issue is Miranda custody. Under Miranda versus Arizona, statements during custodial interrogation require Fifth Amendment warnings. The subject admitted property damage before arrest. The test asks whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave. Airport setting, uniformed officers, active investigation creates custody ambiguity. Florida Statute 806.13 establishes tiered criminal mischief liability. Damage under $200 is second-degree misdemeanor. $200 to $1,000 becomes first-degree misdemeanor. Over $1,000 escalates to third-degree felony with 5-year maximum. 2 monitors at $500 each cross the felony threshold. Battery under Florida Statute 784.03 requires intentional touching against will. Transportation workers receive enhanced protections. Battery on airport personnel increases charging severity and sentencing exposure. Combined with property damage, prosecutors gain significant plea negotiation leverage. Use of force falls under Graham versus Connor objective reasonableness standard. 3 factors control: crime severity, immediate threat, active resistance. Officers faced felony damage, minimal threat, and active pulling resistance. Arm control and escort holds without strikes or weapons remain proportional. Pain complaints alone do not establish excessive force. Florida Statute 843.02 distinguishes resisting with violence from resisting without. Pulling away and tensing constitute misdemeanor resistance without violence. Striking or using force against officers becomes felony resistance with violence. The footage shows pulling and verbal non-compliance, but no strikes. Airport trespass authority derives from Florida Statute 810.08. Airport operators may issue trespass warnings for criminal conduct. 1-year duration is standard. No hearing required for administrative trespass. Geographic restriction applies only to this specific airport. Alternative airports remain accessible. Subject grading, grade D. Emotional distress from dying family member does not excuse criminal conduct. Admitted intentional property damage and striking staff. Resisted arrest, physically. Voluntary statements, eliminated all factual defenses. Crisis effect sentencing, not liability. Airport staff grading, grade B+. Pressing charges was legally appropriate. Property damage and battery justify criminal prosecution in secured transportation environment. Missing footage of initial interaction prevents higher grade. Decision within prosecutorial discretion. Officer grading, grade B. Maintained professionalism under emotional circumstances. Force proportional to resistance level. Miranda custody issue creates suppression risk for prosecution. Better verbal acknowledgement of pain could have reduced perceived escalation without compromising control. Lesson 1. Emotional state is a sentencing factor, not a liability defense. Family emergencies, mental health crises, and travel frustration do not suspend criminal law. Property damage and battery remain chargeable regardless of motivation. Courts consider context during sentencing, not during guilt determination. Lesson 2. Voluntary statements before Miranda warnings are admissible when custody is ambiguous. Silence is always legally protected. Admissions eliminate defenses permanently. Once words are recorded, they become prosecution evidence. The right to remain silent exists before arrest, not only after. Lesson 3. Physical resistance during arrest adds charges and justifies force escalation. Verbal denial of resistance does not override physical behavior. Officers assess conduct, not statements. Each act of pulling or tensing permits corresponding control techniques under Graham standards. The Constitution does not provide different protections based on the worst day of your life, but the humans enforcing it choose how they apply it. If there is a case you believe deserves this analysis, let us know in the comments. The law is applied by people. That is both its weakness and its strength. Thanks for watching.